Hello viewer. For various users, Techsodes provides a variety of project kits. Since we know that each person is different and has different needs, some are professionals, some are students, and some are hobbyists. We have done our best to include a variety of project kits for you. Keeping all this in mind, we have 4 types of kits. The first one is documentation kit. If you only need documentation like project report, PPT, datasheets, hex codes, source code, abstract, synopsis, circuit diagram, and PCB designs. We also offer simulation and design files for CAD/3D, MATLAB, Proteus, and Altium for particular project. Second one is professional kit. Professionals who know how to solder and test should use this kit. It would be better to call it a do-it-yourself kit. We include all the necessary components and pre-designed, printed, and drilled copper-clad PCBs included in that project professional kit. Third one is assembled kit. This kit is fully assembled and tested by us for plug and play. It has prepared for instant requirements and ready to use. Fourth one is learning kit. This kit contains complete practical learning. Use our instructions and support to complete a do-it-yourself project using internet video calling. We fully support and guide you through the process.